All right, welcome to While You're In There. Unboxing and review of a cordless ratchet I got on Amazon. It is the Kimo brand. Came in a big box, nice big bubble wrap inside of it, with that other box inside of it that I just put down. Case looks nice. Good clips are not the rubber ones that just fall off. So I like that case already. Alright, so upon opening, it's got a socket set with it. Instruction booklet. Comes with two chargers, or batteries rather. So that's a plus. That's really cool. Your charging base. And finally, the ratchet itself. Looks good. Kind of larger than I thought it would be. I wouldn't say it's bulky, but I don't think you're going to get in tight spaces in the engine bay with it or nothing. But I bought it just to speed things up when I'm doing these Jeep projects. So I wonder if they've got to charge these batteries when they ship them. Oh, they do. Alright, so come fully charged. Okay, so you can adjust the speed by how hard you pull the trigger. It's supposed to have up to 40 pounds of torque on it. I can't stop it with my fingers, so it's pretty torquey. Got a lock button on it, so I guess if it's laying on the ground and you go to roll over or something, you're not going to spin the thing. It's reversible. So all in all, it looks kind of nice. Well, I'm liking it. It's got my approval. For most of the engine work that I do, I wouldn't use this to be breaking nuts with it, but cracking them with the ratchet, and then coming back with those coming back with that, spinning out of there quickly, so you're not just doing this back and forth for 20 minutes. So that's got my approval. Fits back in a case with the battery in it. Amazon. I got this on Amazon and it was $76. So it's got my approval. I like it. Kimo cordless ratchet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm always buying something new here and there. So thanks for watching.